create here for our static concept. Then see here, I am again giving session from how to create a project, how to create a package, how to create a class, because some students they are new in today's session. Then go to file, new dynamic web project, file, new dynamic web project, and I am giving this project name as a core core Java concept, core Java concept. C is capital there, and then finish it. Once you finish, then go to our this particular project, go to Java resources, right click on SRC, new package, and package name I am going to give here com it means OS level core level package, com dot CSI it means Credit Systems India, this is company name, and here I am going to give here core logic, you can give any package name as per your requirements. Okay, package all letters must be small, package all letters must be small. Then click on finish. Then see how to create a class. Right click on package, new class, and I am giving this class name as a static concept. And here I am going to ask you one real-time interview question. Okay, this is commonly asked interview question. From today itself we are going to go hands-on with interview questions as well. Okay, this class name is static concept, and class ka initial letter always in capital. Okay, initial letter must be capital. Then here I am going to add here main method. You can type main control space, it will give us the public static void main string arguments. Control A, control I, control shift F, it will format the code. Control M, it will maximize the size of screen. Control M, it will maximize the size of screen. And here I am going to create one real-time example. In that I am going to ask one interview question here. See here, I am going to add here different methods. Void get. I have another method static void suppose set, and here I have another block available, static block. Okay, before explain the concept, I am going to ask one interview question. Okay, because some students they are from computer science, but those are mechanical electronics. I am not expecting answer from your end. Okay, because I am going to teach this concept in depth. Don't worry. Then here, as per our requirements, I am going to print here something. This is a very basic example, like at CSI Pune. Here, suppose I am going to print CISO Inspiria Mall. So here I am going to print India. Fine. Then here I must need to create object of static concept class. Yes, 1 equal to new static concept. Fine. Then here yes1 dot get. Here I want to print suppose CISO. Hello. Okay. And then I am going to print here set. Fine. Okay, this is our program actually. Okay, what is the output? Can you please tell me? You are able to see my screen, right? Full screen, correct? What is the output of this program? This is very basic program, and this is the interview question. They will create the one static concept. Okay, they will create some methods, 2-3 methods. They will use the static block, and they will ask you, what is the flow of execution? What is the output of this program? Can you please text me in chat box if you are aware of this static concept? Okay, you have given CSI Pune. Oh, Tariq. Okay, fine. I am going to show. Open this screen. Okay. Yeah, you are trying very good actually, because you are trying to giving answer. Okay. It will be two-way communication. Okay, you can try to give solutions as well. If your solution is wrong, that's fine. I am going to correct it, and you can ask many questions as well. Yeah. See, we have created the main method. Okay, and within main method we have created the object. We have given here hello, then get method, then set, then static block also available there, right? And I am expecting what is the output. Okay, hope you have given the output. Okay, fine. Oh, someone is typing actually. Oh, Byram also typing. Okay, good. Okay. Looks like yes, Byram, you are right actually. Okay. It will give us the India first, then hello, then CSI Pune, then Inspire Mall. Yes, you are right. I mean, last answer is correct. Okay, from Byram, this answer is correct actually. Okay. Tushar, you given CSI Pune last, right? No, this is wrong. Somehow you tried base level because you have tried here India first. Okay, fine. Oh, okay, 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 fine. I mean, Bairam, your answer is very good. And see, this is the correct answer. Okay, India Hello CSI Pune Inspire Mall. Then see one screen. I am trying to run this application, and after that, I am going to explain this answer. See, Bairam given same right. India Hello CSI Pune Inspire Mall. Correct. See, why it give us the India first, right? Then see, this is the static concept. Okay, static concept. In that static concept, there is available static. First is a static is a variable. You can say first is a static is a keyword. Okay, static is a keyword. Keyword it means this is a reserved word. Okay, this is a keyword. Static is a variable. Static is a method. Third point is static is a class, and fourth point is static is a block. Fine. Then see, once we declare the static block, okay, it will execute before main before main method, and then definitely we have declared the static block here. See, static block. Once we declare the static block, it will execute before main. Definitely this output will be first. India it will be first. Run as Java application C1 screen. Static block it will execute before the main at the time of class loading itself. This is the reason behind that India it comes first. Correct, Suraj sir? India it will be first. This is very commonly asked into a question. Okay, they will create this such kind of scenario and they will ask you question. Then see India it first. Why? Because static block it will execute before main, and after that it will follow the main method sequence. Main method it means publish static void main string arguments. There is hello come first, right? Then see one screen. Second output is hello. Then get method comes, line number 7. And in that get method, we have available CSI Pune. It will print CSI Pune. And the next it will come our set method, right? And set method is static. This is the reason behind that we haven't created the object. Then see set method inspire all. I hope you clear the idea of why I mean this India come first, because India is available in static block, and static block it will execute before main, and after that it will follow the main method ka sequence, publish static void main ka sequence. I hope you understand. Okay, any questions on static block delete? Okay, no questions, fine. Then see here is available static variable, right? See here, I am going to create here static variable as well. See, suppose I am going to create here static emp. Fine, that's fine. If we are going to declare here static like as int product price equal to fine. See, given here static int the product price equal to this, okay, and it give me error 5. See one screen. Whoa. We not need to give I mean double. Okay, it will be int only. Fine. See, right now there is no any error. We have declared the static int product price, but this product price I want to declare in non-static method, right? Here I am going to declare here system.out.println product price. See, slash n product price, and here I am trying to run as Java application. Okay, it will give us the product price as well. It will give us the product price as well. Let's see, same example I am going to add within our static method. See, again it will work fine. What happen if I remove the static from line number 3? What happen if I remove the line number 3, I mean the static, then see on screen? It creates the problem within static method, right? It means non-static variable. Non-static variable we are not able to access within static method. Okay, non-static method, non-static variable. This is non-static variable line number 3. We are not able to access within static method. I hope you clear, right? Non-static variable we are not able to access within static method. Great. You see here, once we declare static, there is no any error. Static variable you can access within our non-static method. Static variable you can access within our non-static method. That's fine. I hope you clear the idea, right? Variable, fine. And why we are going to use static variable? Because we want to create, use memory efficient way. Suppose best example for how here we are going to declare static. Suppose there is thousands of employee working within same company like as TCS. That time you can give static string company name equal to TCS, because this TCS it will be applicable for thousands of employee, right? That time you can use this static variable. Okay, good. Then see, next is static method. Okay, static method. It is used to memory efficient. Fine. Then see, static method. There is again one into question. I mean, within this class, we are able to, use main method twice. Your answer must be yes. This is into question. Okay. Yes, we are able to use main method twice. Then see here, I am going to use here public void main, and in that I am going to add suppose somehow logic, right? Then see, there is no any error. This is our main method. Okay. This it means this is our static method. Yes, we are able to override it, but we can't override. See, we are able to overload it. Once we declare the main method static now, we are able to overload it, but we can't override it. Anyway, these points we are going to cover again as well, but right now you can concentrate here. Static method will overload. This point I am going to, upcoming sessions, upcoming 3 to 4 days, we are going to do revise this method wala concept. Okay, static method will overload, but static method we can't override. Okay? Because I am going to do hands-on for these concepts. Okay, right now we have done only overload. Okay, within one class we have declared here another static method. See here, we have declared here another main method. Fine. See, this is static void main, and here also we have declared the main method itself. Fine. The next static class. See, static class it means, see, suppose I am going to add here static. Suppose here I am going to declare one class as static. Suppose employee. See, it give me problem, right? You can say static class. Here it will be static. See, small. Fine. See, you can say here I'm going to delete the static. Right now there is no any error, and here I am going to declare static class product. See, right now there is no any error. It means you can declare inner class as a static. Okay, see, note outer class never static. You can declare inner class as a static. Fine. And whenever we get the chance, we are going to do hands-on for the static class as well. Don't worry. Okay, fine. Because within one day we are not able to achieve those real-time concepts, but yes, in future whenever we get the chance, we are going to use those all the concepts. I hope you